small enough to fit inside a pocket, yet powerful enough to change an entire outfit. The pocket square is one of the simplest accessories in classic menswear. It is a small piece of fabric placed inside the breast pocket of a jacket or suit. Its construction is simple, its possibilities are not. The history of pocket squares connects with the older tradition of carrying cloth handkerchiefs. Over time, these practical textiles became increasingly decorative. As tailored jackets developed dedicated breast pockets, the pocket square became a natural addition to formal menswear. Different fabrics created different appearances. Linen offered a crisp and structured look. Cotton provided versatility. Silk created softer folds and a more luxurious appearance. The way the fabric is folded also changes its character. A straight fold creates a clean horizontal line. A puff fold appears softer and more relaxed. Pointed folds create a more decorative silhouette. The accessory therefore became a subtle form of personal expression. During the 20th century, pocket squares became closely associated with tailored suits and formal dressing. They appeared in business wear, evening clothing, wedding attire, and classic gentleman's fashion. Color and pattern became important. A pocket square could coordinate with a tie, contrast with the jacket, or deliberately introduce a completely different color. The goal was rarely perfect matching. Instead, the accessory created visual balance. Modern menswear has become more casual, but the pocket square has survived. Contemporary designers experiment with unusual fabrics, bold patterns, relaxed folds, and unconventional placements. Yet the principle remains unchanged. A small amount of fabric, placed carefully, can transform the appearance of a suit. Today, the pocket square remains a symbol of attention to detail. It does not need to be large. It does not need to be expensive. It simply needs to be chosen and folded with intention. From practical handkerchiefs, to tailored jackets, to modern menswear, the pocket square proves that fashion can hide in the smallest details. Sometimes, the difference between ordinary and elegant is only a few inches of fabric.